Here it is. It's not done yet. Got some paint work to do. I did make the hot glue light system detachable, but this is my SCX-10 with Capra axles. These are bone stock Capra axles. They have absolutely no modifications whatsoever. What have I done to it? I took the entire battery tray out, relocated the battery a little bit further back. Piece of rubber for traction. Got a piece of plexiglass here. Little countersunk holes and some flatheads. You can't see that at all. Some flatheads. Got grooves for the Velcro or hook and loop. I've got my Hot Racing transmission, all metal, 32 pitch gears with a eBay dual motor setup, dual Crawlmaster, 2 Radon Reedy 16 turn 5 slots. I have them geared and timed to kick on at the exact same time. Both are running a 13 or 14 tooth Robinson Racing, so it's full retro. Robinson Racing, it's full retro. 90 millimeter shocks, which I'm going to be changing out soon. This is just a temporary bumper. It's not done yet. It's just a chunk of UHMW, but I'm going to round it off. And I've got a ton of these little Phillips head screws that are running all the way through. Not all the way, but they're running in there pretty deep, just so that it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. I might do some shock relocation on this, but I don't know when that'll happen. And I did take out the rear, and I put in some Amazon special relocators here. Hobbywing 880, and I'm running a 3S shorty just because that'll actually fit. It's just a Z Racing. Haven't had any problems with these packs. I haven't ran them a whole lot. This was originally for my Capra, but nowadays it's only going to be used in this truck and in a Gatekeeper. I got some foams for the rear because the foams in the rear are still stock, way too soft. But I put some Proline dual stage in the front, and that feels so much better. As far as shocks, as far as links go, the rear links on the upper are from the parts tree that came with this truck, and the front lowers are the upper links from a Gen 8. So if you want to get any frame of reference on how long a Gen 8's wheelbase is, these are the fucking uppers. And the actual uppers here are also, well, this one upper and this one are both stock, but this one came from from the parts tree that came with this truck. Still got the stock shocks. I gotta stop saying shocks. Drive shafts, wild bore or big bore or whatever the hell they are. These are still stock. I did try it. The front bumper was an issue because I had a big Stinger bumper, but took that off to clear it up a bit. So it should do just a little bit better once I shave this off and give it more of a... You get what I'm saying. Eventually I want to put a little bit of weight on it. I want to put a recovery strap. Just one of the big bungee cord looking things. Longer shocks, again. Longer shocks, a little bit of brass. I want to do brass knuckles. I want the entire knuckle assembly to be brass. Just to have a little more weight in the front. Way down low. I might even put some brass cut these out and just put like brass pieces in here, but I don't know. Might be a little bit too far forward. Crawl speed, even on 3S, these motors do not get hot. The crawl speed on this is extremely low. When I was just driving it, it has the low speed control of a 2-in-1, which technically I do have 2-in-1. God, I'm funny. But that's about the extent for this build. I mean, I'll show a quick little run video indoors at the end of this video. And then I'll also film a short outro. But as far as I'm concerned, the build is picking up steadily. It's definitely one of my more ambitious builds, but I am digging it. And, oh no, I'm going to make a full video on the transfer case relocation on my TF2. It didn't go that well, but okay, no more spoilers. You're going to see that video eventually. God, just, it looks so much more aggressive. And if you, like, with this body on it, if you have this body on it and you're standing like 30 feet away and you squint your eyes, it looks exactly like a VRD Carbon. Anyways, here's the run video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Shit.